yes, with these awesome two colors, just like the last year ones I did. These are another one from the new, as a branded new since this year. And I'm going to do a nice blue and a nice pink. I might do a little something just to oomph it, but I'm mostly doing these on each hand. What I'm thinking of doing, which I haven't done for a tiny bit, is I'm going to do one as a accent, and the rest the same. So I'm going to do opposites of each hand. So one's going to be mostly blue and one's going to be mostly pink, and then I'm going to have an accent of the opposite. So that is what I'm going to do with these, the bad boys of it all. So let's get these on my nails. I am ready to get these bright colors on and just enjoy the brightness of it all. I could add something on top to give it a little shim shim, but we'll see. But these are going to be nice and simple. Trying out some Jelly High Shine, which I think is pretty much probably the same before they even rebranded. I think they've done Jelly High Shine before, but this is with their new logo on it. So, and these colors just look so, so with all that, let's get these on and enjoy. Of course, I already have my base coat on, ready to cling this color on to the max of it all. So let's get to it. And here is a nice close-up of this blue from Berry M. And a nice close-up of this pink from Berry M. And now we're putting on the nice blue. And it's kind of see-through-ish. So I definitely need more than one coat. But it's not sheer like the last ones I've been using. Oops, I got a little on my skin. Now I'm going to put on this nice pink of it all, which is definitely more sheer because it is a brighter color, and those typically can be more sheer. So I'm putting a second coat and a third, especially of the pink I'm doing. And I thought I should do one because I was seeing lineage with the blue as well. And now I said I was going to put some sparkle, and of course I always got to use hollow sparkle. This is one of their toppers. This is the scattered hollow topper, and I'm putting it on my middle nails here. As you can see, it really shimmers it up. Simple, but fun. Sometimes all you need is that shimmer top coat to go on the color. Now to hold it all in with a nice top coat. There it is in all its glory. And voila, my nails are officially done. E-O-C-O. Yep, I did my accent with one hand had the blue and one hand had the pink, and vice versa, as you can see. And I decided to leave a couple of each on the outsides, this one, and the thumbs without the sparkle, but I did put some hollow sparkle in the middle two nails, even though on my right hand I got a shorty of the shorter stems. With all that in my maxi way of doing my nails and everything. Yes, that's right. With all that in mind, I will see you next time. Sparkle, sparkle, boom.